guys, he don't set. He don't set always sack boo. In fact, I dey look this thing and they laugh. I say this one they funny. 60 Yahoo boys arrested by EFCC. Una don't hear that one. It's so funny. On award night, Yahoo boys they give themselves award. High level ceremony. Award night. Now who come up with this idea? Hello guys, it's your girl again, Julie Yams. A huge thanks to all my returning subscribers and viewers. And if this is the first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that each time I upload the video, you will get notified. Thank you. Abemona answer me this question. Yahoo, when EFCC they find, una con carry una safe, come out with big chests, say na the big boys, the high level Yahoo boys be this. When don't make her, and when make them big, what do you make big? Another man money when he sweats for, when he dey walk, you trickishly with jazz, with everything, corny, lies, take her for a hand. Now you come and say you can't give yourself an award. I don't understand. Who even come up with this idea? Who tell una say Yahoo don't become legit? Yeah. In fact, now the juju when they worry you for your mama village, now be that one be for your papa village. I don't understand though. We say EFCC they arrest Yahoo boys, they arrest them anyhow. Now una can show una self, una can hire her very expensive hotel. Una can say una want give una self award. The one way don't make them big for this year. Una can give award 1. Then the one will make her follow that one award 2, award 3 to award 10. Police, EFCC now can't get the information, come the hotel, come pack all of una. They say they come with exotic car. EFCC pack all of them. Money when they carry come, EFCC pack all of them. The award when they make award 1 to award 10, EFCC pack all of them. Both invitees when come, EFCC pack all of them. I don't understand. The hotel management. Something they wrong with una. When una allow this kind of events to come take place for una. Now be say this hotel. Now so kidnappers go come say they want to do kidnappers award nights. For those way more money, then una go allow them to use una venue. Una go stand there and they look there because of the money. Now this one they talk. It's not just about the money. It's not just about the money. But what, like that Kenechukwu when died that day. I talk, it's not just about the money. But be careful the kind of money you are making, that it will not fall back on you.
Economic and Financial Crimes Commission have arrested 60 able young Nigerian men during an award ceremony at the Conference Hotel in Abeokuta, Ogun State. I don't know, the audacity. You know, a Yahoo Boys Award night. Gentlemen.
This is not the first time they are going to have it.
It's not the first time.
The name of that hotel is Conference Hotel and it's being owned by former governor Benga Daniel. It's in the news. It's not new to everybody.
Oh my goodness.
How come you went to arrest these boys?
I did it.
And that place is no steal. And the owner was not picked up for questioning. Because that is matters. A place using as a proceed of crime is part of the investigation that EFCC have to do. Then Benga Daniel, former governor of Ogun State, needs to be caught questioning. How come his management allow this illegal gathering of Yahoo boys that have made people to cry, and they will not use that money if you don't want to rent that hall? Okay.
I mean, I don't even know how to react to this story. But anyways, the 60 of them were arrested with exotic cars, electronic devices, laptop. Of course, see a Yahoo boy laptop,
and content,
mobile phones, and a whole. Like for me, it's about the audacity, you know, to even have an awards night. What are you?
Now, let me tell you.
Hold on. The EFCC said investigation revealed that the event was organized to reward high-level internet fraudsters. Like, I don't like. Sometimes I don't believe it.
They will spend.
I don't
They
believe
have it
it.
in other states. They've had it in this state before. Even the state that they are talking about, they will say, which is my own state. That was not the first time they are having it.
We have to go, guys. let's all take this piece.
Look at this hotel now. Shebi he don't put himself for problem. They say this is not the first time these guys are giving themselves award. That they have been doing it before, but they have been doing it underground on a low level key. But this time, one mumu among them, one super mumu among them, can say, make them do am big this time. Make them scatter the town. Make people know say they make am. They can't even come with their exotic car. They say if you see the car when EFCC carry, EFCC pack all of them. 60 of them now, they parade them. EFCC go use una as a scapegoat to teach the other mumu Yahoo boys. Say Yahoo no be legit business, oh. No be na crime. Yahoo na crime. If you dey do Yahoo, you're supposed to hide your face in shame. If they do Yahoo, you're supposed to enter bottom table when you see people. Now you can carry your head up. Now you can come out. Now you can say you want give yourself award. You can't do award night. You can't celebrate and you can't invite people. You can't invite dignitaries. You can't dey there and can't show una safe. I say I want to do video for one Yahoo boy when they celebrate, they throw away money for Bini. They say they still go, this one they happen for Delta State and Edo State. They go worry, they throw away money, they stand on top of motor. I go look for the video, I go look for the picture, I go put them.
Okay, what kind of destiny is that? They carry people destiny. They throw away money. And they throw away money, oh, every year don't cast for me. Yes, so more than they pick. That's so, life and direct. I want to go precise. Life and direct, oh, Yahoo boys, they throw away money, oh. Don't carry your head beside.
They can't throw away money. They throw away money. They say that money when they throw away so. Not be better money, oh. Anybody when they pick that money, now your destiny you they give these guys. The more people take this money, the more that they hammer, the more their Yahoo business they grow. So be careful the kind. When you see somebody they throw away money, make una not pick again. We are living in end time. This generation now is wicked. The babalawo don't tell them say, make una go junction, make una go they throw away the money. As soon as they throw away, una go crack. As soon as they throw away the money, now so una go the hammer for our business. And as the people they pick her, the more the people pick her, the more your blessing go they come. The more those people destiny go they throw away. Their destiny go they come commit to una. So make una careful the kind of money, because these same people when they throw away money, go meet them say you get problem, they no go give you money. Tell them say you want pay one hospital bill, they no go pay. Tell them say now the situation be this, they no go do. These same people road no go good for their place. They go see follow the Potopoto road like poor man. enter their big jeep, drive, go. But they go come throw away money, they pack. That is why you see the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. You don't ask yourself the reason. Because they are taking the destiny. Both pastors, both politicians, all of them, that is celebrity, all of them, that is what they do. That is why you go see, how can a normal human being, when you work for money, you go stand for junction, they throw away the money. Why will you be throwing money? Is it normal? It is not normal to throw money. When throw away money come become, I don't understand. Now it don't become the norm in the society. When the Yahoo boy, they confess for the church, one church when they come wrong, go say, na dying day. Say the Babalawo, actually, when they go do this medicine, they tell the Babalawo, say they don't want human sacrifice. The Babalawo say no problem. Say, now may they just bring this, bring that, may they bring 300,000. They now, when they never get the 300,000, they can't go look for the 300,000. They can't find out. They can't give the Babalawo. Babalawo can't do mercy for them. Can't say me they can't so they can't so they may they can't take mercy. Babalawo say me they stay for one place. Money not correct. Babalawo say and there is something say the gods reject the offer when they bring. Say so now human sacrifice now they go use. Now the boy say Babalawo first time you say we don't want human sacrifice. And if that is the case, they not get human being when they want sacrifice, so they not do again. They come. Babalawo tell they say no. If you go, they don't do the thing halfway. If you go, it will affect you. That is in a line. Now they come on. Before they know what they happen, their life begin turn upside down. They say ordinary rain go they fall. It be like say na stone, na rock, now they fall for their body. They were not in pains. Everything. Now one of them wrong go church when they do this confession. They can't show in picture when it be Yahoo, but when they throw away money, when it stand on top of motor. Small boys. These boys should less than 20 years. They throw away money. Now be those kind of people police supposed to they arrest. Where did you get your money? Which fabric are you speaks it's funny. Which company you get? Which company you get when you for make that money? Anybody where get company no go throw away money because the money hard. He hard to get. Now who they throw away money now for something? Now they na Sarah na purpose. Now they throw away that money for. So make una be careful. The money one that they pick. That is why you when they suffer, they suffer more because the money when they throw away give you in public. Because they must come and do it in public throw away. If you go meet them private, make them help you, they no go help you. But they will come outside, control away the money in public. People will come, they pick your destiny, pick your children destiny, pick your generation destiny. Then they get richer, you they get poorer. But the annoying part, the saddest thing about this thing, they say, they know they last. See the other one that they get accident. His senior brother get accident, just go die, kill himself through. How many years? Yahoo boys all over the place. All over the place. See the other day for Abraka University, twins killing own twin brother. Keep him for inside house because he want do human sacrifice. He want get money. Neighbors, they wait. They not hear from them. They not hear for the twin brother. Now they come break door, go meet the twin brother with him twin. When they kill for his house, they tell him say he must stay with the dead body for 21 days. He never quick and reach 21 days when neighbors come spoil the show for them. They come break the door, come meet her. Imagine the same belly, one papa, one mama, one egg, when divided to two. Now he do this one to his own twin brother. Just imagine waiting the pains when this speaking don't cause in parents. They send you go school, struggle to pay for your school fees. You and your brother, you reach there, you give your own brother RIP. That is waiting to happen because they see this Yahoo boys, they see everything they want. I don't understand. Picking when they for school, what is your business with money? When I dey school, now how I go to pass my exam? Now they think of. If you when you dey go school, you go say you want to be lawyer, you want to be doctor, you want to be this, you want to be nurse. Now how you go take reach there? Now you go to think of not money. What concern you and money? But these days, small children, they concern them with money because their own mates, they can flaunt money online. That is what the ASCC, any small boy you see, they can flaunt money, track them, arrest them. You might discover, say, they be kidnappers. So that this throwing of money, it go stop. If you don't know them, not be say when you see Obi Kubana, they throw away money, at least you know what thing they do. Not be that one when they talk. When they talk of all these 20, under 20, when they throw away money for road. When they throw away money, these people, when they throw away money, so their parents still there for rent. When you see small picky, they build their own house, they say that this small boy, like, what thing they do? Nothing. If you go after those ones, you no go pay me. You no go pay me. But the same police, now go see carry gun follow them. The same police, now they go pay small money, you go see carry gun, stand by. They allow these boys to throw away money. So make una know they pick money when these small boys they throw away for road. Now ritual money, they are taking your destiny. A word is enough for the wise. I don't tell you now. Thank God for social media. When will they expose this thing? So if you say you don't know, you don't know today. So please, guys, help me share this video. You don't know whom you will be saving by sharing this video. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.